My name is Rattan.
How old are you, sir?
I am 74 years old.
Where do you stay?
I stay in 48 Mukta Ben Vatuwaqa.
How do you feel right
Well,
now?
I feel safe at the moment now. I feel that I am very safe because whatever I have seen that on the TVs, that people who are fully vaccinated are allowed to move out freely, but I will still comply with the rules and regulations of COVID-19. I would like to advise all those people, if they are fully vaccinated, please still follow the rules and regulations of COVID-19 so that you may not be a victim of this.
And the people who haven't had the vaccinations yet?
And those who haven't have this vaccination done, please, keep indoors, mostly roam about in your compound so that you are safe, and always try to keep yourself safe. If you are moving into the supermarkets or crowded place, keep yourself safe, and so that you are not a victim of this disease.
Yeah, we feel very proud, and I think everybody should have this treatment so that they are safe, as well as for our age people. This is very good to keep them, alert with all these things here.